I now hand over the platform to Mr. Joy Chakrabarti, the organizing chairman, Kahotech 21, and also the day chair for today, to give his closing remarks and takeaways for day 2 session.
Thank you, Bhavisha. And I know it is the fag end of the day. So without much taking time, I want to thank all the speakers, chairpersons, and the audience for having patience. And I must tell those who have joined a little late that we had very exciting, keynote by Mr. Nandan Nilekani, and he shared his experience of Aadhaar and beyond. So what are the learnings? And we tried to draw some parallels that if it happens, if it requires to happen in healthcare in the digital health format, then how it is going to happen. Followed by, we had very good discussion and experience sharing from international arena on digital adaptation. We had speaker from MIT, we had from Israel and from Taiwan, and it was excellently moderated and chaired by Amit Muking and Dr. Anil. Followed by Dr. Harsh Mahajan has shown that how digital adaptation can happen in diagnostics, and he has taken us through the evolution of imaging modalities, especially X-ray, that how it has changed from the dark room where the X-rays were developed to PACS, and how it has gone to the digital front, and many more such examples. It was followed by a very interesting that how a hospital can assess on digital maturity rating by Dr. Elliot Sloan, and it was really, I think, a learning session for hospitals, that where they stand and how to go forward and what are the steps they have ahead of them. It was followed by EMR in nursing and clinical management. We had one doctor in the hospital. The adaptation of this EMR has been shared, and we know the kind of work has been done. And along with that, Ms. Thankam, she has extensively shared her experience in terms of that how the nursing clinical team should work together to get the best possible outcome in terms of adapting this EMR. It was followed by digital adaptation in clinical care by Dr. Vishal Rao, and that was followed by another excellent presentation on digital healthcare skilling. I think many hospitals will be interested to adopt this to ensure that the learning in terms of quality journey or compliance, what kind of digital adaptation can happen. And it was followed by the last session on speech recognition. And already you have seen Alexa and other things application, but it is equally getting implemented and practiced now in healthcare, and a lot of I should say exciting opportunities and avenues are there in ahead of us. So I'm sure all these talks and all are going to be available in different social media and other channels. And this is really, really an exciting end of the day. So thank you, good evening, and have a great evening.